Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Sheep, because yes you can draw a sheep, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. I'll be using a dry erase marker. If you're ready, so am I. Here we go. So the first thing that we're going to do is notice that I'm using my paper on its side instead of up and down. It's because the sheep is a little bit longer instead of taller. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a shape that looks like a tiny cloud. I'll show you what I mean. A tiny cloud. See how it's just a little bit bumpy and it's a tiny cloud. You ready? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a giant U underneath the cloud. This is our sheep's face. Surprise! The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a little line that comes out and then curves in, and we'll do it on the other side too. A little line that goes out and curves in. Those are your sheep's ears. Oh, they're so soft and fuzzy. The next thing we're going to do, it's my favorite part always, we're going to put a face on our sheep. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 circles. You can put little pupils in there if you want to, if you have room. And then an upside down triangle for its nose. Now, if you can draw an upside down triangle, do it. Sometimes I have a little trouble, so I'm going to turn my paper upside down and draw a regular triangle. And then we'll turn it back up. But there's one more step. This is a happy sheep. So you're going to draw a line that comes down a little bit from the nose and then curve those up. You have your sheep's face, and it's so cute. Now, we're going to start right above the ear, and we're going to make another cloud shape. And this one's going to be bigger because this one's going to be its body. So we're going to make a cloud that goes all the way back around, and it's going to stop right here. So we're going to start above his ear, and we're going to end under the ear. You ready? Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Now you can make your sheep as big or as fluffy as you want. And you notice that my bloop, bloop, bloops didn't all come together, so I had to use my eraser just a little bit and fix that up. That's okay. But now we're getting sheepy. The next thing is another tiny cloud for its little tiny cloud tail. Bloop, 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 bloop. There's only one thing that's missing. It needs feet. So, at the front of your big cloud, draw 2 lines. On the back of your cloud, draw 2 lines. You're going to close those up like rectangles. And then you're going to make one more line, but it's going to be shorter. And another line, also shorter. So now we have all 4 feet, but sheep have little hooves. So we're going to make another line. We're going to make a T. Little capital T's. And voila! You are finished with your sheep. Check that out. You are wondering, can I do this? And the answer is, yes, you can, because you just did. I hope you experiment with the size and shape of your sheep. Keep making those little clouds. That helps a lot. And if you liked this video and it taught you how to make a sheep, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my page for notifications for when other content comes out. I'll see you next time. Bye.